Are you considering starting a VR arcade business in South Africa? Wondering how much it would cost to get started? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of starting a VR arcade business in South Africa. First and foremost, you need a suitable location for your VR arcade. Make sure it's easily accessible and has enough space for the VR equipment and gaming stations. Next, you'll need to invest in high-quality VR equipment and headsets to provide a top-notch experience for your customers. Consider purchasing a variety of games and experiences to cater to different interests and age groups. Don't forget about the software and licenses needed to run the VR games legally. Marketing is essential to attract customers, so allocate a budget for online and offline advertising campaigns. Creating a user-friendly website and maintaining a strong social media presence can also help boost awareness of your VR arcade. Vet and hire experienced staff members who can assist and guide customers during their VR experiences. In terms of costs, starting a VR arcade business in South Africa could range from 300,000 to 1 million rands. This includes the initial setup costs, equipment, licenses, marketing, and staffing. Rent and utilities will also be recurring expenses to consider in your budget. You might need to secure funding through loans or investors to cover the startup costs. Remember to assess the potential return on investment and create a solid business plan. Keep in mind that the success of your VR arcade business largely depends on customer satisfaction. Provide excellent customer service and ensure a safe and enjoyable environment for all your visitors. Regularly update your game library to keep the experience fresh and enticing for repeat customers. Consider offering special events, promotions, and packages to attract more customers and increase revenue. Keep a close eye on industry trends and advancements in VR technology to stay ahead of the competition. Networking with other VR arcade owners can also provide valuable insights and ideas for your business. In conclusion, starting a VR arcade business in South Africa can be an exciting venture. With proper planning, investment, and customer-focused strategies, you can create a successful and profitable business. So, if you're passionate about VR and gaming, why not dive into the world of VR arcades in South Africa?